Hello guys, today I'm going to show you how you can fix your Windows 10 low volume problem. So for example, if you plug in your headphones on your PC, you may be hearing a little bit lower volume. So today I'm going to show you how you can fix it. So let's start. You have to go to the speakers icon, right click on it and go to open sound settings. Now if you don't have this, here, I'm gonna show you another method. You go to start and go here on settings and then go to system, sound, and then you're on the same page. I'm just showing if you don't have that option right there. So I'm gonna go scroll all the way down and go to sound control panel, and here you go to communications. As you can see right here, you can choose whichever do you prefer, but the default one is reduce the volume of other sounds by 80%. So I'm gonna go on do nothing and click on apply OK. So for example, now if you plug in your headphones, it will not reduce anymore. Another thing you have to be careful of, make sure that your volume is actually 100%, because sometimes it can get to right here. So put in 100%, and here you can try. If this doesn't fix it, you can go here and go to properties, and again level check if everything is here. Okay, you don't have to, you can go and disable this if you want, and here you can go and test a multiple. For example, if it's not working on this one, you can try this one or this one. So let's see here. I hear it pretty good. You can try another one and go test and click on apply and OK, and see if that fixes your volume problem in any way. So thank you for watching. Subscribe for more videos, and that's it. Thank you for watching, and like and share the video.